Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to be unboxing the Ipsy Glam bag for the month of July. And yeah, let's get started. So this is how the bag looks like for this month. So the first thing I see is this perfume. As you can see, the brand is Kenzie and it smells really good. Next, there is this banana setting powder. And there is this hand cream. It left my skin feeling very soft. I really love it. Alright, so next on the bag I got this sugar lip balm and I really love the top. It looks really cute. I love this packaging. Next on the bag is this Pixie by Petra lip gloss and I really like how this lip gloss smells and I like how glossy it is. Lastly, there is this card that they always put inside the Ipsy Glam bags, and yeah, that's it for the first unboxing. Now we're gonna be unboxing the second Ipsy bag, and inside there is these two face masks. Next on the bag is this It Cosmetics Power Brow. Next on the bag there's this Luxie brush and I really love the color of it and the bristles are really soft. Okay, so now after that there's this facial foam cleanser and this is a gentle cleanser that helps to gently remove harmful impurities and makeup residue from the skin. And lastly, there's this Pixie by Petra lip gloss that we also got on the last bag. And that will be it. Thanks for watching.